Today I'm very excited because we get to go through the review of the EpoMaker EK68 mechanical keyboard. I was really pleased with this keyboard and I'm excited to share this quick review with you guys. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this review. So when the EK68 arrived, the packaging was really well done. It's very sleek, well designed. It definitely hit all of my main kind of mechanical keyboard like requirements that I'm looking for. Everything here in the box came in with really good packaging, extra keycaps, and also a keycap and switch puller. Have the full guide that comes with the EpoMaker. Get a few of the extra switches. Keyboard's design is also really impressive. Has a smaller form factor, but a little bit of a height when you're typing on it. A really comfortable typing experience. So it is a 65% layout, has 66 keys and also a rotary knob up here, which is great to control the volume, to also go mute and unmute. It has double shot PBT keycaps and they are really durable and resistant. I actually am really impressed with the keycaps because they feel like really durable, oil resistant, and also resistant to fading. And they also have the hot swappable PCB in this keyboard, so you can use 3-pin or 5-pin switches on this keyboard, which is really nice. And yeah, it's also really good for customization. So in terms of the keycaps out of the box from EpoMaker, you can choose silver, purple, or black, gold option. And on the switch types, you have 3 different options. The EpoMaker Flamingo, which is the one that these are, and the EpoMaker Budgerajar. Not sure how to say that, but yeah, Budgerajar. And then the Gateron Pro 2.0 yellow option. So another really cool aspect is the connectivity and performance. Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, and then also the Type-C wired connection. When I'm out and about or like working somewhere else in the house instead of my office, I use the Bluetooth connection. Very fast connection, really easy to pair with any Bluetooth device. Battery life is 3000 milliamps. The sound profile is really nice, which I'll get into here in a little bit with the sound test. Some of the main features with the RGB backlighting, there is so many customization options that you can do with the RGB backlighting. So depending on your kind of style on how you do that, whether that's the static or there's like a breathing, you'll also have that ability to do that, which is nice. Keycap profile are OEM, Cherry, or SA, so you can have some customization options on there. So let's go ahead and jump into the sound test. So as you can hear, yeah, very nice experience for the sound for this keyboard. I have been really impressed overall, with the EpoMaker EK68. It's a very well-rounded keyboard, especially for the price. Very stylish, looks great. Whether you're gaming, you're working, software developers, this is a great mechanical keyboard to do, whether wired or wireless, so you can bring it with you out and about. So I highly recommend, picking this up and giving it a test. And if you don't like it, you can always return it. 2 thumbs up to the EpoMaker team for creating this keyboard. Really well done. Feel free to check out the full link for the product in the video description down below. And if you have any questions or other experiences with the EpoMaker EK68, please drop them down in the comments section. Please remember to like and subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss other upcoming reviews. And if you're interested in tech and AI, feel free to check out some of my other videos that I have been doing. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to keep moving forward, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.